Welcome to 23307 Sawmill Cross Lane in Spring, Texas, and the walkthrough video tour of this gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home. This home was built in the year 2000, and it stands 2 stories with a 2-car garage. A nice big yard in a great neighborhood. Walking up to the front door, you're going to feel so welcome. The carpeted staircase is right at the front door, and the dining room has vaulted ceilings. This home is in Northgate Crossing. The dining room floor was replaced with high-end wood laminate, and the roof was recently replaced as well. This is a fantastic home with a gorgeous family room and fireplace, windows flanking either side. This open space allows the whole family to stay together with a big breakfast nook. The kitchen's been beautifully remodeled with gorgeous black quartz countertops, white cabinets, and an updated backsplash, with new appliances as well, and a corner pantry. It connects to the dining room. You don't want your chance to go away for this fantastic home to be yours. The vaulted ceilings in the family room are incredible, and then tucked away nice and private, this is your room, with tray ceilings, cozy carpet, and a big window overlooking the backyard. There's a big private bathroom where you can completely relax, away from all the hustle and bustle. It's so important to find a place that fits you and your family. A place that has everything on your list, and then some. One that's been lovingly cared for and is move-in ready. A place you can relax and feel at home. A place that you want to come home to. And this one just might be it. With grand views and privacy all at once. This home has so much to offer. Imagine your family here in this space, watching the kids grow over the years. Or this could be a home in which you choose to retire, only having occasional visitors. But there's plenty of room, and the walls are welcoming for anything you have in mind. With plenty of bedrooms and bathrooms, lots of square footage, and a great floor plan. This is a great place for you and the family to call home. Inside and out, this incredible home has so much for you. You've got to call the listing agent and make an appointment and come walk through yourself. Unless your mind is already made up. And then we'll say welcome home. There's a great oversized backyard, which is a blank slate. You can do whatever you like with it. Welcome to your new home.